Ano na lang, ikaw man, naatay tour. Ano?
Of 17.6 feet low or around 5 meters. So, mga kanya, forget this is the real skin of Rio. If you're familiar with that, it has no commercial value anymore because again, the one being used for making bags are the skin of the Astropolis, which is about 3 to 5 years old only. Since Rio is 60 years old, his skin is too hard and well dried for the machine to process. But here we don't kill crocodile for skin and for meat. All products made from crocodiles are locally imported from Rizal and Davao, not here in Palawan. Thus, this is for conservation purposes only and rescue center for wildlife animals. And by the way, Rio was captured August 4, 1990. The speed of a fisherman, and it was confirmed that he swallowed the right leg of the victim. So, kinain niya yung parang hindi na victim. So, just the right leg, because crocodiles, they can only consume 1 to 2% of their body weight. So, it's not true that the crocodile can swallow a whole body of humans with this misconception for crocodiles. Hindi po totoo na kaya nilang kumain isang buong tao. Later on, you will see same size of the skeleton, which is still alive. But before I proceed to the live crocodiles, I just want to remind you not to put your hands on the skeleton of the baby crocodiles, because they can jump and can tap off your fingers of these hands off. Wag ilalagay ang kamay hanggang tingin lang. You can take pictures, just turn off the flash of your camera, and please quiet inside the hatchling house to minimize the stress to the young crocodiles. And as we go to the big crocodiles, please take care of your things, not to fall inside the nest because I'm not sure if how to get time for you. Ingatan ang gamit na huwag malaglag pag nandun na sa mga big crocodiles. Okay? Let's proceed to the driver.
Maganda yung single na lang siguro gagamitin ko, no?
Ano maliliit dito? Dito ako kayo. They are fighting. Get angry. Get angry. Ito, may wide camera sila. Dami nila dito. Oh my God. They are moving. Oh my God, this big one. It's like lizard.
Sila.
Yeah. Darling, careful.
story about Steve Irwin.
Oh, he is the one who died.
He caught this big crocodile down in Southern Parallel.
Yeah, yeah.
Brought it up here. I saw a documentary on TV about it. Oh, this lady. You know?
There, oh, we go there inside.
I'll talk to somebody.
There's also bird here. There's also birds there. Oh,
Yeah. That's a hornbill.
Yes.
oh my God. So big.
Papalamig. Mainit. Ilang manok kaya kakainin? 16 feet. 65 to 70 years old.
Oh my God. So big. Really big.
Ito, 35 years old ito.
Oh my God. He is moving.
Yung pangalan niyan? Aklan. Wala.
Taga Bagyo kami.
Oh, siya.
Aduan mi
Nakita
na.
ko.
Biro kan habas. Biro ulo rin man.
Ay, hindi ko din niya. Hindi ko mo.
Ay, lupo. Hindi man kadanyo.
Nag-reason kami.
Ay mali kayo mo tanda kayo pa.
It's one big.
Catching a bit of sun, look.
Yeah.
Catch all your ankle, you know about it, didn't you?
Oh my God. So big.
What?
Very big.
Yeah.
So may iba tinitili na kayo niya.
Taiwan, nice meeting you. Ay, puro 20 kami.
I don't know that. I don't think so.
They can. They will eat also their own.
I don't think they do that. They don't eat very much.
They eat one chicken like that.
Well, they can eat a lot in one sitting. They can do them for a year.
This a crocodile.
Eh?
There, oh.
No. It's got a scratch. Underneath.
Wow.
And scratching his head is moving.
Oh, yeah. Ah,
Look,
yeah, he's scratching. He's scratching his.
That's about the size of the ones they had at Callowit.
Oh,
That size, yeah.
there's loads of them.
They don't smell that much, do they?
Yeah, because they're in the water. Maybe they change it.
Dito, di bala. Oy, anak na kong sundali.
It's original from here. It's from Southern California. It's not, because that one is from 1990. If it's not 10 years ago, it's not. It's the different color.